Ethernet investment products break 9-week capital outflow. Digital asset investment products inflows amounted to $75 million last week, making it the fourth consecutive week of inflows. The $209 million in total inflows from the 4-week run now represent 0.4% of total assets under management, according to the latest CoinShares report. Despite the solid run so far, the report highlights that inflows remain relatively minor in comparison to those seen in Q4 2021. Some regional variances were also noted, such as minor outflows of $5.5 million in the Americas, while inflows to Europe totaled $80.7 million. Once again, Bitcoin-based investment products saw the largest share of inflows last week, amounting to $25 million. Although year-to-date flows are still negative at $35 million, month-to-date inflows of nearly $90 million have largely improved that figure. Meanwhile, Ethereum-based investment products finally broke a 9-week streak of outflows, with inflows of $21 million, nearly rivaling Bitcoin. More alternative blockchain investment products also saw respectable gains last week, such as multi-asset investment products with inflows totaling $19 million. Altcoins Solana and Ripple had inflows of $3.1 million and $2 million respectively, while more recent additions to investment products Terra, Tezos, and Cosmos all had inflows amounting to $2.2 million, $900,000 and $600,000 respectively. Notably, inflows of $69 million last week marked the largest amount of flows overall since mid-December for blockchain equity investment products. Crypto investment products began the year in the midst of several weeks of outflows, representing the greater general bleeding of the crypto market. When the tide turned with $14 million in inflows 3 weeks ago, it broke a streak of outflows that amounted to $532 million. The inflows then continued the following week, with another $19 million, before accumulating to $133 million last week, which the report had suggested continued positive sentiment among investors. What do you think about this subject? Write to us and tell us.